means basically God was there for me. God stayed with me, he consoled me, he worked on my behalf, basically. It's like Chi Nonyerem, you know what I'm saying? A short version for this name is also Nonye. You might see that name a lot. So Nonye or Chi Nonye. So it's like God keeps me company, God was there for me, right? So since God is always in the lives of Chinonyes, this enables Chinonyes with the power to always be loyal friends to the people around them. They love to make sure that they always keep their word, and they're active listeners. Tag and share this video with all the Nonyes or Chinonyes that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah!
America kwenu?
Yeah!
Indojinil nono wakwe zone!
Yeah!
So, so Chinonye, what do you think? Is this a really nice Igbo name? Would you like to have this Igbo name for yourself? Or does this remind you of something you'd like to speak into your life or the life of a child who you're about to have and you want to name? Let me know down in the comment section down below what you think. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So, like I said, if you are